Alright, for the SR-25, this gun is one of the most easiest guns to disassemble because one, the battery's in the back, and two, it's the M4 style, whatever you want to call it. So that being said, it's really only one piece you do, and you have the gun, and then you have your hop-up unit and your barrel. So what you're first going to do is take off your scope, so if you're flipping it around you don't damage it. Alright, scope's off. Then what you're going to do is there's one pin you have to, this is for the A and K model, there's only one pin you have to take out, and that's the front one. As you can see, there's two pins, 1, 2. You don't have to screw it or anything, there's just an Allen screw. You just take that out. And this is really, this one's, I don't know why, but it's really hard for me to take out, so you just have to Alright. Oh crap. And then you want to make sure that your cover's open. You're just going to carefully. Also what you need to do is there's this little rail that your charging handle gets stuck on, so you gotta lift it up and then bring it down. So I'll do that again. So you lift this, you pull it back, and you lift it up, and then you push it forward. There's your gearbox, whatever. This is your inside. And here's your barrel. That's why I said it's so easy. This gun is amazing to take apart. There's your hop-up and everything, you know, for your hop-up barrel. Make sure, it's good to make sure your actual hop-up's still working. You know, clean your barrel out, whatever. And then to put it back together, you just put the spring back on. Oh, I guess if you want, okay, I'll show you how to take the barrel out. I hate buckings. I'm just going to tell you this right now. Bucking and anti-reversal latches make airsoft annoying. So what you're going to do is carefully take out your hop-up thing. Pray to God your bucking didn't fall out. Yep, it fell out. Alright, I'll just take it out of the way. Alright, this is your bucking. I'm not going to draw this out because it'd be really annoying on my part. So what you're going to do is you're going to put this back up on your barrel, like so. Alright, and then what you're going to do is you're going to slide it in. You're going to slide it in the wrong way. So like, here's the little notch right here. So this is where the bucking would go, right on top. But instead of putting it like this, I'm going to flip it. So you really need to keep track of where it is. Alright, so then you're going to do that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your bucking and you're going to put it on and you're going to push it down with your finger. Like so. And then you're just going to slide it in like that without it having sliding back out. And then you're going to flip it at 90 degrees. So this is the little line is in line with the bottom, and you're going to push it in. And your hop-up bucking should be in there. And then you're going to put your clip back on. So, and then just turn it towards a light. Not at a light, you'll blind yourself, so don't do that. Looks like it's in. Alright, so it's in. And that will help you so much if you just put it down and then you turn it, just twist your barrel. I mean, I've tried that like the other way to get it in and it's impossible. Alright, so what you're going to do then is you're going to take this. I'm going to just show you all the worst things that can happen. Alright, and this little plate that falls off, this this falls off for you, basically what you have to do is you put it over the little arm thing or whatever. Actually, I'm not going to elaborate on that. If you have a problem with that, just freaking leave a comment and I'll help you. Alright, put that back in. It should have a little spring, so you're not going to be able to push it in all the way. And what you're going to do... It's really dirty, go well. Oh, you have your, this piece. Oh, yeah, you need to take out your battery. I didn't take out my battery. Oh, well. Who cares? Alright, so then what you're going to do is you're going to stand that up right. Just going to slide it back on. This is probably one of the more frustrating parts because everything has to line up absolutely perfectly. Alright. Remember, you need to pull the charging handle back over that stupid lump thing. Pin. Close that up. Flip it over. Hold it. Alright. And I've left at the top the Allen wrench screw because the amount of force it takes to put that thing in and out, I really doubt it's going to come out in the battle. So you just check that. Pop-up wheels in there. Look in the bottom, make sure everything is lined up, and it's good to go.